I'm Dr. Ju. We at Ju Chiropractic Wellness Center want you to know that our approach is very unique and different. The reason we say that is because we utilize CBP, Cox, Gonstead, and quantum neurology technique to achieve optimal results. Every individual has a unique solution. The combination of some or all the techniques do just that. For Steve, CBP's system of exercise, adjustment, and traction, along with Cox technique were used in order to change his health state to optimum level of functional movement, as well as the alleviation of pain. Here's his story.
Hi, my name is Steve Peckham, and I'm a patient of Ju Chiropractic Wellness Center. I have a professional career to where I sit in a chair for many hours. More than I'd care to say, 40, 50. It's becoming increasingly a challenge to stay put. Back pain started, it was actually a progression at about age 47. I dealt with it internally as long as possible until I sought out an orthopedic doctor. And at that time they took x-rays and prescribed me pain medication, entry level. That didn't really work for me, so I went back for an MRI. I reviewed at the surgeon. They said that I wasn't ready for surgery yet and put me on a pain management program and stepped up the meds. That was okay for me for a while until I started to increase the dosage on my own, just because you build up resistance to the meds. And I went back and counseled with my doctor, and at that time he wanted to increase the dosage, and I sought out an alternative, and that was Ju Chiropractic, and I'm very happy that I did. He consulted with me. I learned more about my body and my spine and my nervous system than I ever did from any Western doctor that I had met with. And he took many x-rays, identified what was actually wrong in my spine. Results together. I have a syndrome, it's called straight spine syndrome, and the doctor put together a program to where we're going to return some of the natural arch. Also a yoga practitioner for many years. And my chronic back pain was starting. I was starting to have to modify my practice there. It was not any longer able to do just because of the pinched nerve in my back, and it added another level of pain endurance to endurance exercise. Since I've been working with the doctor now, I believe I'm on my 4th month. My yoga practice has returned. I probably gained 10 years to my practice as far as balance, mobility, strength, not because I lost the strength, but because I had to modify because of the pain. Working with Dr. Ju, he actually prescribed a standing desk for me, which has been very beneficial. So I have the option to sit or stand. Traction is something that I never saw myself in, but now it's a great part of the program. I actually look forward to it. There's many hours of natural relief after 20 minutes of traction. Because I feel better in my body, I'm treating people better. There's more to spinal wellness than just coming to the chiropractic office. It's 24/7. You have to be mindful of the way that you sit at the workplace, how long you're sitting, when you're driving, sit up straight, when you're having a conversation, the way that you tilt your body and talk to the person next to you, the way you sleep. Since coming to Ju Chiropractic, I'm actually elated to say that I've removed myself from all medications, pain medications, and actually limit myself to using ibuprofen or any of the aspirins. That makes me happy. Puts a smile on everybody's face. There's more to Ju Chiropractic Wellness than just chiropractic. It's a solution of exercise, traction, and adjustment. If you want to truly feel better and stronger in your body, I recommend calling Dr. Ju. My name is Steve Peckham, and I'm a patient of Ju Chiropractic Wellness Center.